So Newcastle United 2, Arsenal 0. We have been dumped out of the Carabao Cup again. That's now 5 straight attempts this guy's had at the Carabao Cup. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 5 on it. Can you win me the League Cup? I got 5 on it. Nope, not today, Felicia. Bye-bye. Matty, we went into that game not expecting a great deal. However, we expected a hell of a lot more than what we witnessed tonight. That, to a man, was spineless. Newcastle United, fair play. They made their stadium look amazing. Their stadium's beautiful anyway. The fans, they were loud. Flags were out. They had the tifos. They had it all. Yeah, absolutely insane performance from Newcastle, by the way. They have absolutely schooled us again. Home and away. We have them again in May. I'm a poet. I fully know it. Make sure you sub to Matty. Arsenal history and what it be in the title. We're going to jump on the emergency meeting straight after. Star-studded panel, guys. So make sure you come and check that out. But Matty, we did the watch along, mate, and we knew literally from the first whistle, didn't we, mate?
We knew from when the draw came out. I mean, I was one that was saying that Newcastle was the worst draw that we could get. You know, people were saying that we could do a job against Newcastle. Nah, I didn't see it based off of what I've seen the last few years of this manager going against Eddie Howe. Eddie Howe has sunned this man. He has basically just made him his grandson. Just walks him around the yard, shows him a few things, how to fix a pipe, trim a couple of hedges, you know, show him what to do. Because he's shown him again how to deal with Arsenal, how to coach a game, how to properly navigate yourself through a two-legged tie to get to a final. He's been to more finals than this manager has in the last 5 years. You know, he's won more since he's been coaching in this manager. Yeah, I'm going all the way back to Bournemouth. He's won more than this manager. This manager of ours has no clue. He has no clue. Tonight, Lee was one of the weakest. When I say weak, I'm talking like weak, bro. Weakest performances I've ever seen under this manager. It's almost just like he just doesn't know what to do. I had no clue. He had no concept of a plan. Get one goal here, keep it tight long as you can. Try to snatch it at the end. We'll try to go the extra time, see what we can do. Something to show you that, okay, well, you know, I've learned my... Nope, he's not learned anything. And as I stated during the broadcast, there's going to be more of this. Because that Champions League is next. That's the next thing. And so for any top gunner that watches this tonight and think we have a chance in the Champions League, you're an absolute fool. I'm just calling it like it is. We don't stand a chance, Lee. There's no way we win the Champions League. We could look. Did you see that bench tonight? Defender after defender after defender after defender after defender after defender after defender. Nothing but defenders. This manager,
and then a washed-up Raheem the Dream, and then a teenager.
Yeah. And this manager went to the grocery store and he bought the groceries. He bought the groceries. He has spent the money. I know people are going to come in and say the Crockett's got Cronky out. I'm going to tell you just like this. Me and Lee, we're both Cronky out. And I'm going to tell you why. Because they have held on to a manager that is an absolute failure after giving him $800 million. They're all in it together. Everybody has a piece of the pie. Garlic Lewis, the only one exempt is the dog. I mean, this is absolutely wild. That 3 times this year we have lost to Newcastle. 1, 2, 3. 3 shots in 3 years at St. James's Park. That tonight, it was one of the most poorest displays. Anybody that watched the watch along to know tonight, it was times we didn't even say. It was times during that broadcast where we just sat there and looked, didn't even say anything because there was nothing to talk about. We wasn't doing nothing. That's not a player tonight outside of Ethan that I could point towards and go, you know what, man, he was on it. And when Ethan came on, I really wasn't expecting him to do too much against that team, that defensively. because they're that resolute. It's time to rip this thing up. It's time to start over. We're already technically in a rebuild. There's someone stated that on our show. We need 6 to 7 players anyway. And that's just keeping it real. That's just trying to maintain where we are. We're not even talking about it just to compete to go to the next level. Yeah, we need 6 to 7 just to maintain because we're losing a lot of players this summer. We lost Martinelli tonight. He's out for the foreseeable future for at least 4 to 6 weeks. That's another one down. I'll say it again for those who missed it. Jed stated we were 2 injuries away from capitulation.
Yep.
Lee said we were 22 men. We were 22 man deep when we was 28, 25. What the year before that, whatever it is, but we were 22 men this year, done by design. Manager comes out, says he's disappointed with the transfer window. Well, were you just disappointed with the summer transfer window, Mr. Arteta? Because in the summer you said that we were short and we needed fine margins and we needed players that can make a difference. So I reckon Moreno and Calafiore was the differences. This has all been on the watch of Mikel Arteta. For 5 years, we have sat here and watched failure after failure after failure after failure. Don't talk to me about the FA Cup. Won this team. And as the great Dan Potts stated, we had better players in the Europa League than we do now. We've been in the Champions League 2 years. And he had more money then, by the way, too. He had more money now than he had then. This has absolutely been failure to the highest level. It's failure all the way down to the lowest level. Complete failure on all fronts. Today was one of the most embarrassing games of football I have ever seen under this manager. And we have got a dossier. That is going to be a fun task. That is something we need to do. The worst
dossier of doom.
The worst losses under this manager since he's been here. That was one of them tonight.
That was spineless, Matt. Yeah, let's just be real bit. Yeah, Matt, we were sat there, all 4 of us on big up DJ, big up Ola, yourself, big up all the people that watched. Yeah, we were sat there, and from the get-go, we know whether Arsenal are going to win the game.
Took 3 minutes.
Yep, literally. Isak slaps one, top bins.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and we were like, yo, is there VAR? It took about a minute or so to figure out if there was VAR or not. Yeah, then it was, there's VAR. We caught life. You said it. That right there, there should be a wake-up call to this club. Yeah, right now. That there. No, what should have been a wake-up call for me? Look at this stadium.
Yeah.
Look at their fans. They ain't won nothing for 60 years or whatever it is, yeah? Yeah, we're Arsenal Football Club.
Rabbit.
Declan Rice today. Why is Raya passing him the ball when he's got 3 men around him? That you know what that reminded me of? Granit Xhaka. That is Granit Xhaka saying, give me the ball. Yeah, I don't even think Declan asked for the ball, if I'm honest.
Hey,
that was Raya panicking.
Yeah,
that was Fabianski. Yeah, that was Petr Cech trying to pass out the back. He's passing it to Xhaka.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now what? Saliba today. You said it on the broadcast. Bro, is he even fit? He looked all right at the weekend, but he weren't even troubled. Let's be real. Man City were awful. Yeah. That game at the weekend, yeah, has boosted everyone to the point where I thought, do you know what? And we were all gassed. You had the belt out, you break dancing. I'm like, yo, hold that. It's about time we slap one past them, one on them. Yeah. And I'm like, yo, that gives us more confidence going there. Look at the state of that performance. Yeah. After you've just banged Man City, that should be all. And that all of the teams will got to be is they've won nothing in 60 years. Nothing in 60 years. You go out there today, you can beat Man City with Pep and all the stars. You go out there today, just chill, relax. Don't do anything stupid. Mate, as soon as that goal went in, yeah, the first goal they scored, the one not the offside. Mate, look at the Keystone Cops defending. They're slicing the ball, they're passing it out.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Couldn't even do throw-ins.
Very straight for a goal kick.
Yeah. What was the captain at today? Where was the captain today? The captain of the vessel. Nowhere to be seen.
Sinking.
Gilligan's Island settings, baby. SS Minnow. That's what we saw today, Lee. That has to be. We
don't let go, Jack. Don't let go.
Lee, we're gonna have to have some serious discussions about the direction of this football club. And don't before this is over, don't come into that chat talking about we in second place. What are y'all complaining about? The manager said Second place ain't good enough. That's what he said last season. Don't
Don't settle for second place.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what he said.
And now we don't settle for second place, and now we're the problem. No,
Yeah.
hold that. Your manager has bottled 20 out of 21 trophies, and there's still 2 more to go.
31 players signed.
Yep. He could do 23. 23 for 1. Wow.
I'm gonna do the league gunner. Leans in before we get up out of here. He said that we were short in the transfer window a day after the transfer window closed. Hey, y'all just keep putting up with this shit. Yeah, just right now. You just keep putting up with this shit.
Yeah.
Y'all just keep putting up with
it. Yeah, just keep putting up with it, guys. Well, I'm lagging like crazy. We're gonna wrap. Mate, shout your channel out, man.
This team lagging too. That team was lagging today too.
Yeah, shout your channel out, bro. Southern Gooner in the
Southern
title.
Southern Gooner here on YouTube. Get ready for this emergency meeting. We for to cook this fool.
We're gonna go live straight now. Northside's jumping on. Kyle, DJ B, Jez, Matty, Rashid, Aaron. I did text to Gal, he ain't replied.
I sent Northsky the link, so I got to send him the proper.
Yeah,
link.
send it, man. Yeah. As far as nobody's rocks up backstage apart from Kyle. All right, we're out. Cronky out.